Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever felt like you did everything right? Yet people ignored you, used you, or quietly took advantage of you? The worst pain isn't betrayal. It's realizing you were manipulated, and you didn't even notice. Today, I'm not here to teach you tricks. I'm here to open your eyes. Because once you understand manipulation, you become very hard to control. Some people don't shout. They don't force. They don't threaten. Yet somehow, they make you say yes. Even when you wanted to say no. Later you ask yourself, why did I agree? Why didn't I stop it? That's the real game. Here's a simple example. In every office or group, there's usually one nice person. Quiet. Helpful. Always available. And there's another person, not very hardworking, not very kind. But somehow, things always go their way. Extra work falls on the nice one. Credit goes to someone else. And when the nice person finally speaks up, the answer comes with a smile. Your family. You understand, right? That single line is where manipulation begins. Because the moment you feel special, your guard drops. Most manipulation doesn't look dangerous. It looks caring. It sounds reasonable. It often comes wrapped in good intentions. Guilt is one of its strongest tools. Instead of forcing you, people make you feel bad for saying no. And to prove you're a good person, you give in. Another powerful weapon is confusion. Manipulators rarely argue clearly. They talk in circles. They avoid direct answers. They make you doubt yourself. When your mind is confused, you become easy to control. A tired, unsure mind doesn't look for truth. It looks for relief. Attention is another trap. When someone gives you deep attention, listens closely, and makes you feel important, you slowly hand them the map to your weaknesses. And later, they use that map. Here's the truth. Manipulation works only where there is insecurity. Fear of rejection. Fear of being seen as selfish. Fear of losing people. That's why silence, distance, or cold behavior feels so powerful. It activates your fear, and you start chasing peace. But here's how the game breaks. Clarity. Boundaries. And fewer explanations. When you stop over-explaining, stop apologizing for your limits, and stop reacting emotionally, control slips away from the manipulator. Some people will get angry. Some will call you selfish. Some will walk away. Let them. Those people weren't attached to you. They were attached to your availability. Ending. If this video helped you see things more clearly, that's all for today. Please like, comment, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you don't miss what's next. Thank you for watching.